Hi guys, in today's video it's another income report, but it's not mine. This is from an abandoned account. Ooh, it's not that spooky though. Lucy, my long-term living lady partner, started KDP, which has fallen by the wayside and hasn't done anything since I think it was like October 2022. So it's been untouched for at least 2 years, probably 2.25 years. The money goes into a separate account, so she doesn't. She's not really aware of what's been selling, if anything. I've talked her into giving me the password for her account, so we're going to look into it and we're going to see exactly what sort of money she's been making in those absent 2.5 years. So here we are in the account proper. These figures are from 2023, as you can see here. I've had to do them in 3 monthlies or thereabouts. So at this point, the account hasn't been touched from October the previous year. So nothing in October, November or December. And she's still making £152.64. Now, I'm not allowed to show you the books. I've been told not to show you the books. Which is fair enough. She's not as silly as I am. But as you can see, the spikes there. She's making sometimes nearly £15 in a day there, which is more than I make, because she prices her books properly. So £152 in January to March. April to June, £86, slowed off, but she's still making a tenner a day there on that day. And sales again, most days. The next quarter, £58.86. You can see there is a little decline here in the figures. Things are slackening off a bit. But by this point, there's been no new books for 10 months. And to be honest, it's probably fair to say that even before the October, she was slowing down a bit, creating the books. August to November, back up to £159.80. Which is good. Again, sales on more days than not. Pretty much 80% of the days have got sales on them. And she's not touched it for over a year now. And if you take an average £160 over 3 months, it's about 55 quid. That's more than I'm making in a month. And also, if you look here, she's only got 47 books. And the final month in December, just £17.18. Reasons being, Lucy hasn't got any targeted seasonal books. There might be 1 or 2 linked vaguely to Christmas, but that's it. So that was 2023. By the end of the year, the account has been dormant for 14 months. And she's still making sales. August to November, 156 quid. For doing nothing, completely passive, because these books have been made, that is not bad at all. So over the year, she's probably made £450-ish for doing absolutely nothing. Which isn't bad for a passive income, is it? Now, last year, what did she make last year? So last year, Lucy sold 148 books. Again, these aren't new books. These books were made 2.5 years ago. They're still selling. 148 books. And from that, she has made £217. Now, I can't exactly remember what my figures were last year, but they weren't much more than this. And again, I haven't been putting out books either, but I still do try for New Year and student time. But this account hasn't been touched for 2.5 years. And in that time, she's made over £675, just for ease's sake. So what's that, about $750, $800 for doing absolutely nothing in those last 2 and a bit years. So the potential to make money is there. Even if you're slacking off for a bit, you can still make decent money. Obviously, Lucy's books are priced better than mine. She gets better margin per book, but she hasn't adjusted her prices since the Amazon KDP price went up, so her margins are getting squeezed. Now, the reason that I can't show you the books in person is because she doesn't want you to steal her ideas, and secondly, she's going to get back into KDP. She'll start knocking up a few more books in similar niches this year. And she's more sensible than me. Like I say, I'll share everything with you. She's, I don't want to say selfish, but she's a bit more business-minded than me. So that's it for today's video. Just a quick, interesting, I thought, look at an abandoned account. Ooh. But it's not to be abandoned much longer. Hopefully, she'll get back into it and start earning 5 figures a month, excluding decimal points. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.